What is the Robot Operating System, ROS? Imagine you want to build a robot. You have the hardware, the motors, the sensors, the camera, but now you need to write the brain, the software that controls everything. If you had to start from scratch, it would be a titanic task. That's where the Robot Operating System, or ROS, comes in. Despite its name, ROS is not an operating system like Windows or macOS. It's a flexible framework, a set of libraries, tools, and conventions that greatly simplifies the process of creating software for complex robots. Think of it as a standardized toolbox for robotics engineers, an ecosystem that allows everyone to speak the same language. To understand how it works, there are three essential concepts. Instead of having one giant program, ROS divides the robot's functionalities into small, independent programs called nodes. For example, one node might control a single motor, another might read data from a LiDAR sensor, and a third might process images from a camera. These nodes communicate with each other through a message system called topics, which allows the different components of the robot to work independently, yet in a coordinated way. In addition, ROS comes with a vast set of pre-written code for common tasks, saving developers countless hours of work. The importance of ROS lies in its open-source and modular philosophy. Thanks to ROS, engineers can reuse components and share solutions instead of reinventing the wheel for every new project. This has democratized robotics, allowing researchers, startups, and hobbyists to create much more complex and advanced robots than they could have on their own. In short, ROS is the backbone of a large part of modern robotics research. It's the tool that has transformed robot creation from a task for a select few experts to a collaborative and much more accessible effort.